ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്ന വീഡിയോ എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നോൺ മലയാളീസ് ട്രൈങ് പുട്ട് ഫോർ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം. അപ്പം ഞാനും എൻ്റെ ഒരു മലയാളി ഫ്രണ്ടും ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പം ഞങ്ങളിവിടെ ഹൈദരാബാദിലാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത്. ഞങ്ങളിവിടെ പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പം കൊറോണ സമയം ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഭയങ്കര റെസ്ട്രിക്ഷൻസാണ്. കോളേജിൻ്റെ ഹോസ്റ്റൽ തന്നെയാണ്. ജാനുവരിക്ക് ശേഷം ഞങ്ങൾ പുറത്ത് പോയിട്ടേ ഇല്ല. ഒരു റോഡ് പോലും ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. ഒരു റോഡോ ബസ്സോ ലോറിയോ ഒന്നും നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളിങ്ങനെ പുട്ട് ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് പുട്ടിനെ മിസ് ചെയ്തു. കാരണം നമ്മൾ അധികവും കഴിക്കുന്ന ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആണല്ലോ ഈ പുട്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പം ഞങ്ങളിങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞ് അവർക്കും ഒരു ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കയറ്റി. ഇപ്പം ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും കൂടെ ഓർഡർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അതൊരു 2 മണിക്കൂർ എടുക്കും എത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും അതിൻ്റെ അവസ്ഥ എന്നുള്ളത്. നമുക്കറിയില്ല, കാരണം ഹോട്ടലിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടുന്നതാണ്. അത് നന്നായിരിക്കോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്ന് അറിയില്ല. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് വീട്ടിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു ലെവൽ എക്സ്പെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും പറ്റില്ലല്ലോ. പിന്നെ കുറേ ടൈമും എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട് ഡെലിവർ ചെയ്യാൻ. സോ ടേസ്റ്റി ആയിരിക്കുമോ അല്ലായിരിക്കുമോ, ഇനി അവർക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുമോ ഒന്നും അറിയില്ല. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം അവരുടെ എന്തായിരിക്കും, അവർക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമാവോ എന്നുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ. എൻ്റെ കൂടെ 6 വർഷമായിട്ട് കൂടെ മുതലാണ് ഈ സാധനം. ഓക്കെ, സോ
ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് പുട്ടും ചിക്കൻ കറിയും കിട്ടി.
we have ordered 5 puttu.
This is Harsha. Harsha, hi. Hi. Harsha is sitting with 3 chicken curry.
Prasanna, hi. Yeah, and these 2 people are from Andhra Pradesh. Shambhu, and he is from West Bengal.
It is made of parota.
Kottu parota. Yeah, except me, everyone is eating chicken today.
This is our
Puttu. No questions.
And I'll tell you. There is a story behind that.
Seriously?
I wanted puttu.
How is Kottu parota?
I really liked it.
It's good?
It is more tasty there actually, okay?
Okay, how is the Kottu parota, Shambhu?
You eat it and me. If it's original.
You liked it?
Okay,
Is
let me
it-
taste puttu after 4 months.
Yeah.
4 months.
Come on. Is it soft?
It's okay, yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
How will I take
it
the
looks
curry?
good.
Keep it in the plate. Pour some in your plate.
Full തട്ടിക്കൂട്ട് സെറ്റപ്പ് ആണ്.
Pour some more, no? That is also oil on.
Yeah, Hindu, come on. Just.
See my hand.
ഇത് മലയാളിയാണ്. നമുക്ക് ശരിക്കും ഉള്ള ടേസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ളത് നോക്കാൻ പറ്റും. അവർ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് അറിയില്ലല്ലോ. What happened?
Happy tears.
Happy tears. Is
No,
it good?
It's very hot. It's very hot.
Hot?
It's very hot.
It's hot or spicy or
Water.
It's very tasty, that's why.
Is it good? It's good.
Very spicy.
Okay. I think they have added some Andhra dish. No, I won't eat chicken. It's okay. I have puttu and kadala. അങ്ങനെ മാസങ്ങൾക്ക് ശേഷം പുട്ടും കടലയും കണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികളാണ് നമ്മൾ. Don't tease, okay? Sanna, how is it?
it's really good and it's really white.
Okay, next. Shambhu, how is it?
This is really good.
You really liked it?
Is it good? You liked it?
Only tell it's good if you like it.
It is good, I like it.
What did I tell?
Let me finish first, then I will tell.
Abba. Oh.
Don't disturb.
Don't disturb his eating.
Okay, so everyone is busy eating. I'm very happy. After 2 months I'm having.
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയടി.
Sorry. Okay, because these people are here, they will be
Yeah.
no. So,
But his, her YouTube channel is in Malayalam.
not like that, but
Her
it's
viewers won't understand.
not like that. Oh, I'll put this, okay? Then they will kill you. Okay. Malayalam mein bol. Okay. So, അങ്ങനെ നിങ്ങൾ 2 മാസങ്ങൾക്ക് ശേഷം
രണ്ടോ ബാക്കി എടുക്കാം.
ജാനുവരി ഫെബ്രുവരി മാർച്ച് ഏപ്രിൽ 3 മാസം. ഇത് മാർച്ച് അല്ലേ ഏപ്രിൽ അല്ലേ?
April.
ഓക്കെ, കുറേ മാസങ്ങൾക്ക് ശേഷം ഞങ്ങൾ പുട്ടും കടലയും കഴിക്കാൻ ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പിയാണ്. ഒരു ഭയങ്കര ഹോംലി ഫീൽ ഉണ്ട്. ആക്ച്വലി നല്ല റെസ്റ്റോറൻ്റ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ. ഹർഷ, വാട്ട് വാസ് ദി നെയിം ഓഫ് ദി റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ്? സ്വാദ്. ഓക്കെ, സ്വാദ് കേരള സ്വാദ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതാണ് റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റിൻ്റെ നെയിം. കുറേ നല്ല ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ നമുക്ക് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 3 hours ആയി അവർ ഡെലിവറി ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. പക്ഷെ ഡെലിവറി ചാർജ് നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അറൗണ്ട് 3 എത്രയായിരുന്നു ഡെലിവറി ചാർജ്?
340 something.
അറൗണ്ട് അത്രയും ഡെലിവറി ചാർജ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ബട്ട് സ്റ്റിൽ വി ആർ ഹാപ്പി ദാറ്റ് വി ആർ ഹാവിങ് ദിസ് പുട്ട് ആൻഡ് കടല. പുട്ട് കഴിച്ച് തളർന്നിരിക്കുന്നു ഇന്ദു. സാരില്ല, പൊട്ട മീൻസ്
Stomach.
Okay, I just had 1 cylinder plus half cylinder. His put also had
Half cylinder.
No, yeah, Chambu only had half cylinder, half put.
Okay, full cylinder.
Yeah, good girl. Complete your full cylinder. Now who will open the line? It's okay. Indu, come tell the story of Puttu. Come, you know some stories.
Then your food will
Yeah,
get digested
come.
and again you can eat.
No, what happened? No.
Sit, I don't know. Yeah, she doesn't know. How come she knows? Even I don't know.
Exactly.
I got Harsha at least.
Harsha?
There.
Come again.
Harsha is listening to
I
all the
had-
stories
I had-
and he is not giving any expression or
Yeah, I will go to him now.
I had enough
Arey,
puttu for
Hindu.
like a year.
Okay,
Thank
you
you.
won't forget
That is
about
our
Puttu,
Puttu.
no?
Yeah, I heard so much
this
of
is
that
it.
is our Putta Bharata.
Yeah.
I don't know what
Can I
it
tell
is.
something?
Okay, tell
The
something.
foreigner that time told them this food is quite nice. This is delicious food because they know in future they didn't take this again. That's why they told this is very nice. I also tell this is very nice because I won't take it again.
Oh,
This again.
you didn't like it. What?
We
I
eat it.
don't like idli.
Come to Kerala. I will serve only Puttu for you.
We
Morning Puttu. Afternoon I Puttu with Taire. I will give Puttu with chicken curry.
Oh,
Again morning I will give Puttu with kadala curry.
now they
And afternoon I will give you Puttu with sugar.
he will hate Kerala also.
now they drop the plan to come to Kerala only.
No, I will come back.
Usually foreigners come no
अरे बात
to
में
Kerala. They will go to some tea stalls
Okay.
like small tea shops so that they will get the like the what to say
Real, original.
original the native taste.
Okay.
So they can taste that. So one time
after
You eat somewhere.
and I already
Eat that much.
eat that.
One time he'll eat. Then continue the remaining
No,
story.
what happened?
Yeah.
No, like
I
two
don't know.
foreigners. I tell you no.
Someone please tell
Okay, so foreigners went there
Huh.
and they were serving this thing.
Okay.
So they
Which thing?
asked this thing.
Puttu.
So they tell Puttu.
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 So
She's recording.
then what happened?
I don't know.
You are the one who told it.
I'm telling. So they asked. I remember something like this. Okay, I don't know the exact story.
Huh.
So he said, "This is
she's
the."
making story. I'm sure.
Oh, this is what they say about Puttu.
Why are you making stories?
Let her complete the story
So
first.
they were
Don't worry,
asking that they will give this thing to Puttu to that guy.
Okay.
So that time they don't have anything. So they said it too.
Tell me
That
who
means
kept
they
the name
hated.
Puttu.
Already put something.
So they said put more. They said put.
Okay.
The foreigner said asked the tea stall guy
To
to
give
put
him
more.
more. Okay.
So he said put.
Huh.
So he was like, oh, this. They also don't know that This
Meaning
name
of
was Puttu.
Okay.
Unless the foreigner told them Puttu.
Okay. Then that's how
Then
it's
that's
called.
how they got the name Puttu.
Put. Ah, nice story.
Pack it and give it
How
to
are
you.
you, Shiv?
Why are you asking about me? Tell something about what you had.
puttu.
Why you people are listening here?
You're so cute.
Cute, he's mad.
Acha.
Mad
Shiv?
cute.
Huh? Okay.
Madly cute.
Okay.
I ate puttu for the first time.
Okay.
But this is not a new dish for me.
Okay.
In our culture,
Kuttudu. What?
It's so formal.
It's okay. You shut up. See,
In our
good.
place.
Huh.
See, in our place.
in our place we have a similar dish, and that is called kudum.
Kudum. Okay. But without coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You people added coconut and you yourself wanted coconut. You remove coconut from that. You
That
can't
is Vichu. Vichu eating Puttu without coconut.
It's okay. It's okay.
Without coconut, Puttu is not Puttu.
I
Okay.
completed my puttu.
I got a
That
new
was
name
a-
for her.
I completed one full cylinder.
Cylinder.
There is a saying
Hmm.
that Malayalis add coconut in everything. I didn't believe it before.
But now you believe.
It's the same dish. We just added coconut.
I like it also.
Oh.
You people mix coconut in water too. That is called coconut water, no?
Charlie.
Tender coconut.
Today people yesterday were drinking na coconut water.
Tender coconut.
Coconut water.
That is
Actually, tender coconut is really good.
full of energy.
Full of energy. You said energy with less energy.
Because I lost my energy eating.
Puttu, huh?
Eating puttu.
Okay.
Oh shit! I wanted to show
Puttu
the.
made to eat. Why are you taking puttu?
No, I want to show that this is Puttu.
Where is food? Come.
The cover is only having Puttu in it.
How will you even edit this video, right?
I already did. She is mad. She made it.
Harsha, bring it. Bring it on.
Now we have to clean this.
See, I had really properly. My plate is.
Look at my plate.
Even my plate is proper.
This is your
You need to clean channel.
Okay. So guys, how was the puttu? Puttu is white and I really like it.
plate.
Okay.
Even I really like it.
From Burger. You can be honest, okay?
Tell about Puttu.
Tell me
I
about puttu.
already had one. I want next time.
Okay, so he didn't like puttu and we
And he gave us half of his Puttu.
Yeah, so she took 1.5 puttu.
No, she had 1.5 cylinder. 1.5 cylinder.
നമ്മൾ പുട്ട് കുറ്റിയിലൊക്കെ മാറ്റാണ് സിലിണ്ടർ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. I don't know actually what it is called in
Why are you talking in Malayalam?
Sorry. Okay,
It's
fine.
Malayalam.
So actually, this kadalakari was okay. But it was good with put. Put was really good and soft. But since I didn't take chicken curry, I don't know about it. So it's
Chicken curry was
it's
spicy.
really good, really good.
Spicy.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So here, kottu parota also we had.
Kottu parota is good.
So how was it? That one dish. How was it? What is it? Kottu parota. The parota kind. How was it?
Puttu parota is really nice.
My
I'm
stomach.
not carrying also.
Okay, guys.
Your
My quota is full. My heart is full, but my brain is empty. Like always.